Hey friends, this is Empowerment Vault. Today, you will be shown how you can get endless clients on Upwork, even if you are brand new. This is how real people are turning small jobs into big income online. There are 3 easy steps to winning on Upwork. Number 1, make your profile awesome. Number 2, get social proof so people trust you. Number 3, keep applying for jobs every day even when it feels slow. Let's start with your profile. Fill out every section that Upwork gives you: your photo, your skills, your story, your samples. Keep your bio short, friendly, and clear about who you help and how you help. Add a nice photo, a short intro video. You can even link your YouTube channel or optional a website if you have one. Even if your channel is small, it builds trust fast. Next, you need social proof. That means good reviews from real clients. When you're new, it's okay to work for lower prices just to build trust. Think of it like planting seeds. First small, then they grow big. Once people see your 5-star reviews, new clients come faster. At first, you're working for proof. And once you have it, Upwork starts showing your profile to more clients. Very soon, you can charge more and still get hired because your name has power now. Step 3, keep applying for jobs. You can even use free tools that help you auto-apply while you sleep. Tools like Axiom.ai, Bardeen, and Upwex can scan Upwork for new jobs that match your skills. Then they help you write or send simple proposals faster. That's how people go from no jobs to hundreds of offers each month. The more you apply, the more Upwork learns that you're serious. This system works if you stay patient, make your profile strong, earn good reviews, and keep showing up every day. Soon, you'll have more clients than you can handle, all from your laptop. We help you build income, confidence, and freedom online. If you like this video, click like and subscribe, and share it with someone who needs hope. Produced by Empowerment Vault.